Hunter, what are you doing up there? Come on down. Come on down. No, come on. Let's go. Come on down. You got to come down. Come on. Come on. You shouldn't have got up there if you're too scared to come down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on, we got to go. Come on down. You were looking for rabbits, weren't you? Come on down. Come on. Don't be scared. Am I going to have to come get you? You want me to come get you? That's what you get for crawling up there looking for rabbits. It's not that far down. Look. You can do it. No? All right. Well, I guess I'm going to have to come get you.